Hello everyone, welcome to another System Zones video. In this video I am going to show how to configure MikroTik SSTP server with Windows 10 client. At first, log in MikroTik router. This is my router IP and this is Winbox port. Now I am connecting my router. MikroTik SSTP server requires SSL certificate, so at first we will create SSL certificate in MikroTik router. So go to system and then certificates and click on new one. At first we will create CA certificate, so put the CA certificate name. I am providing CA and put some information. This information will be your personal information. I am giving my information, country and my state and my locality, organization name and the organization unit. Now put command name. Make sure this command name will be your one IP address, otherwise SSTP server will not be able to connect. 58.247 and 198 and subject or alternative name. I am choosing IP and my one IP address. I am creating this certificate for 10 years and from key uses keep only this two option and apply. Now we will also create server certificate, so I am just copying this information and putting the name server and one other information will be same, and from key uses we will use digital signature, this one and this one, and unselect these two options. Okay, now apply. Okay, now we will sign our CA certificate, so click on sign and choose CA certificate and put your one IP address in CA CRL host input box. And then click start. Okay, now we will sign our server certificate, so click on sign and certificate will be server and CA will be our created CA. Then start. Now we will export our CA certificate because Windows client will use this CA certificate. So export and choose PEM export. Our exported CA certificate will be found in files menu. Now drag and drop this CA certificate in Windows 10 client. Our certificate is now ready. Now we will configure SSTP server, so go to PPP and click on SSTP server, enable SSTP server, make sure 443 port is assigned here, and authentication will be MS-SAP2, and from certificate drop down menu choose our server certificate and make sure Force AES and PFS are also selected. Click apply and OK. MikroTik SSTP server is limited to username authentication, so we will create username and password for SSTP client. So at first go to IP and then pool for SSTP client IP pool. Put the pool name. I am writing VPN pool and the client IP address range. I am giving 192.168.2.2 to 192.168.2.250. Now go to profile and create a new profile for VPN server. Put the name as VPN profile and the SSTP. Now put the SSTP client gateway IP address 68.2.1 and from remote address choose our VPN pool and apply OK. Now we will create SSTP username and password. So go to secrets and click new one. Put the SSTP client username. Put password here. And service will be SSTP and profile will be VPN profile. Apply OK. Our SSTP server is now ready. Now we will configure SSTP client. So go to your Windows PC and install CS certificate, local machine, place CS certificate in trusted root certificate authorities. Finish. Okay. Now go to settings and network and internet and then VPN. Add a new VPN connection and Windows built-in connection name. I'm putting SSTP VPN. Put your one IP address here. And VPN type will be SSTP. Username that we have created before and password. Now save, and now we will connect our SSTP client and successfully connected. Now go to network and sharing center and we will find our SSTP client IP has been assigned here. Now if we go to browser and find what is our public IP, then we will find our one IP is showing here. And if we go to MikroTik router, then we will find SSTP user is now connected, active connection, and we will also find a new interface has been created for SSTP client. Okay, this is for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, please put in comment, and if you are a newcomer, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.